Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block spam on Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is now tap on the settings option. Once you tap on settings, you need to tap on more settings, and once you are here, you need to go and tap on the filter section. So you can see that you can filter your spam messages or the messages that goes to your spam wrongly. However, to block it, you can simply go and tap on security and privacy. You can add the vendor's domain or even add their address to block them from continuously sending you some unwanted emails in your Yahoo Mail account. So this is how you block spam in your Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to check out other videos as well as to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.